Welcome everyone. Problem on oxidation number. Determine the oxidation number of chromium in CrO2Cl2. Let the oxidation number of chromium be X. We know that the oxidation number of oxygen is -2 and the oxidation number of Cl is -1. So, X for one chromium atom plus 2 into -2 for two oxygen atoms plus 2 into -1 for two Cl atoms is equal to 0, or X is equal to +6. Therefore, the oxidation number of chromium in CrO2Cl2 is +6. Thank you for watching this video.